Hello everybody, just a little video today. I am not at the office, but to share with you an interesting chateau that is for sale now under 400,000 euros. And it's a real chateau, you will see. So if you like this kind of video, please subscribe to 𝐒𝐎 Alert. There is a link in the description because this kind of video, I will first send it to my subscriber of the 𝐒𝐎 Alert, then publish it after on the YouTube channel. So this is just for you a preview of what you can have if you subscribe for free to the 𝐒𝐎 Alert, where I send exclusive email. I am monitoring a lot of websites dedicated to Chateau for sale, and I can send you exclusive deals like this one that you will see now. So this is the chateau I want to speak about today for you because I am pretty sure that it can be interesting for some of you. Mur de Barèze, this is the location. It's in Cantal department. This is maybe the only downside that I see in this ad, but I will tell you more a little bit in a moment. So 395,000 euros. What you have to know that it was for sale for 520,000 euros. You can see right now on the screen, and also more recently at 495,000 euros. And now there is a drop of 100,000 euros, so you can have it for less than 400,000 euros. Yes, this is the same castle, because as you can see on this picture, there is the entrance, the two pavilions, but only they change the small dormer window here. They put it bigger windows, and they put it like this to, I imagine, let more light come inside the roof. So to make it a place more livable. But me, to be honest, I like very much this small dormer. So this is a little downside also. Really, I think you should go fast if you are interested, because there is 13 rooms, 10 bedrooms, a surface area 550 square meters. And look, this is a real chateau this time. And it has a lot of assets, in my opinion. Okay, there is these big windows. I don't know exactly why. I mean, yes, I know, you will see. But otherwise, you have symmetry almost. You have two towers. It's a real 18th century chateau proposed by Barnes International. So I will share the link directly on the website, on 𝐒𝐎 website, and you will be able to have it. Look at this entrance with real stone. It's a very nice porch, as we say in French, and you arrive in the courtyard here, and you have the chateau just behind. And you have a nice view on the campaign. You are located really in a rural area. You have this park here. It's not so big, but it's enough. For some people, it would be enough. Look inside. You are inside a real chateau with the stone on the floor, stone on the wall, the wood frame here with these beams here. You have electricity. Okay, you can find a chandelier to replace this. But the bones of the chateau seems quite good, really quite good. And look at the view from above. It's quite nice. Here you have boiserie, wood paneling everywhere. You can make almost everywhere. Here you have to make. Of course, there are some works, but if you buy a chateau at this price, you have to expect to make some restoration, and it can be really interesting to do it, in fact. But you have some interesting decoration, you see. And yes, you have the cheminée just right here. That is simple but nice. Here, look, the doors, really nice wood doors. Also the stones everywhere. It's really nice. I like it very much. Look at the nice stair in wood. Also, I like it a lot. And here you are in under the roof, so you can see the wood structure. Seems in good condition also. You have this cheminée that is passing here. You have the wood floor, the big windows that we saw outside. So you have a space that you can decorate as you want, and you can make more spaces, maybe a bedroom or whatever you want. So it's quite nice, quite interesting. I don't know if this is the entrance to go to the attics, maybe. You see the wood frame here, it's really nice. Look at this It's really charming. I like this place very much. There is a house here, but I think it's included in the sale. And these two pavilions on each side, very nice. Honestly, for less than 400,000 euro, I think it's really, really interesting. Let's check what they say in the ad. So, situé sur le plateau du 𝐒𝐂 𝐂𝐇𝐀𝐓𝐄. I know this place, I have been there. In fact, it's really close to Chateau de Messillac. We share it, I shared it on the Chateau main channel. It's really an ocean of greenery around. It's really peaceful place. I share with you some images now of Chateau de Messillac, which is really located a few kilometers away, because Mur de Barrez, when I have been to Chateau de Messillac, I had a lunch there with the owner. So Mur de Barrez is really close. And you have the volcans of the Cantal. It's really a fantastic, beautiful, pittoresque département, Cantal. So it's an 18th century chateau with a park of 7,000 square meters. So it's not big, it's even not 1 hectare, but it can be enough for a lot of people. It's the reason why I share with you today, because it can be enough. It's already quite a big land. And it was built in 1776, and it was an important place for the social life and economic life also. 550 square meters that you can live in on 3 levels. The ground floor has a majestuous hall. You understand that? 3 big rooms for reception, an old kitchen. I would have loved to see it and give access to the cellars and to the cellar. And on the first floor, you have 2 big bedrooms with a fireplace and 5 other bedrooms. On the second floor, as we saw, there is a vast attic that you can decorate and make it very nice with a lot of lights, natural lights, grass, thanks to a roof that was recently redone. The roof is redone. So you don't have to worry about that, which is one of the main points when you buy a chateau, the roof. So it has been redone. And also, plus this, you have also a barn of 150 square meters and 2 pavilions, as we saw on the previous pictures. So it needs a lot of work, as mentioned in the ad, to be habitable, to live in, I mean. And you need to install the heating system, also all the bathroom and canalization, the network for the tubes to pass, for the water, and also the bathroom, I said that, toilets, and also the insulation you need to make. It's not such a big deal. It's not easy, but it's not such a big deal if you have a good roof and you have big stones that are here from the 18th century. I mean, as I said, for one time, I agree with them. It's really a unique opportunity for passionate of heritage and history. The downside, I said, that it's located in this region that I know very well because I made a lot of video about castle in this département Cantal. It's really cold. I have to be honest with you. It's really cold. One of the coldest in France, département. You have the access is quite difficult because it's like mountain. So you have small roads, no highway, and it's quite difficult to go there, honestly. But you are not so far, for example, here from Dordogne. From here, you can go on the other side. You are quite far, but you can go here in Valence and all the Provence. It's not so close and it's small road, but you have highway at one moment. But you see here, you are quite isolated and the weather is really cold. You have to know that. But if you are happy with that, you can really be happy here. It's really calm and you have a lot of castle around. You have, as I said earlier, you have Messillac Castle, you have Pestel Castle. I show you some images also. And also Chateau de la Vigne, which is really nice. They make bed and breakfast there. And you are in a good location. For me, for castle, it's really good. And the fact that you are isolated and that it's cold, you will have fireplaces and you will find woods. No worries, there is a lot of forest around. And you can enjoy the chateau life for less than 400,000 euros. Please let me know what you think about it, and let's discuss it in the comment. I put the link in the description. Honestly, if you are interested, don't lose too much time and contact the agency, Barnes. And I don't receive any commission on that. I just received this, and I think it was worth to share with you. Bye-bye.